I would not say continuous improvement experts are skeptical about civility. From what I have observed, I found that civility is not considered in the continuous improvement process, and that is the missed opportunity I would like to capture during this course. If we look at the types of continuous improvement approaches, there usually is not a consideration for what the current culture is or an assessment for how ready the group is to take on and contribute to a new plan. One experience during my time in OEM auto manufacturing was the continuous improvement personnel, sometimes called industrial engineers or process engineers, had difficulty understanding why a new process was not successful or taking a longer time than projected. After all, a huge effort was put in identifying the problem and finding the root cause. A plan was put in place, and all everyone had to do was follow the plan. The issue is the plan and process does not have variation. What is variable, however, are the people that follow the plan. The variability of people was that CI experts struggled with to understand. There was no quantitative value or data that was available to apply to culture or civility. This is why civility experts created the civility continuum, to evaluate whether your group of people are ready to accept and contribute to a new process. In conclusion, my advice to CI experts is to first evaluate and determine if the people affected by change are ready and an environment of civility is present.